Has anyone ever explained the law of nature to you? Let's go for a walk and I'll paint a picture for you so that you really understand it, because I think more people would benefit from this. The law of nature states that everything's going to be okay. Everything. And as a 54-year-old man, I can tell you that everything's going to work out, which allows you the freedom to recognize that not everything is going to go the way that you planned it. See, life has a plan for us. And if you look at nature, you'll notice that it doesn't work in linear lines. Nothing is a straight line. You'll never find a straight line on a tree. You'll never find wind going in a straight line. You'll never see water going in a straight line. And so once you understand and recognize and observe these things, you'll realize that your life is the same way. What makes you so different? So you rely on nature, and nature relies on you. And so it's important to understand that once you know that everything is going to be okay, you never need to get angry anymore. You never need to be jealous. You never need to be upset. Thank you. And my rooster agrees with me. And what I want you to understand is that it's important. I'm not saying that never get angry and be emotionless. I'm not saying that at all. I'm saying don't feed in to that emotion. It's okay to be mad. Don't stay mad. If you are upset, don't stay upset. If you're jealous, don't stay jealous. See, you're able to navigate your emotions knowing that everything's going to be okay. And when things are okay, when you recognize and realize and trust that process, see, life is a process. And if you enjoy the process, nothing can bring you down. Nothing can sway you. Because you're able to, like that tree that I showed you back there, have the ability to have crooked days, to have days where everything doesn't flow the way it should have. And I want you to really recognize that your time on the planet is short. It's really fucking short. It's a short trip, this life of ours. And it's horrible when we fall into things like anger and resentment and jealousy and things like that. And I hope you understand that the law of nature is the same for everybody. You're no different than anyone else. You're unique in your own way. But you're just one of the 8 billion people trying to navigate this crazy world we have. Because it is chaotic. I'm not going to deny that. But that chaos, coupled with knowing that everything is going to be okay, that gives me a sense of peace. And I just wanted to share that with you, because I think that a lot of times young people, especially men, they think that life is hard. And I'm here to tell you that it's supposed to be hard. It's supposed to be really fucking hard. And the ones that take the hard and they understand that everything is temporary and everything is going to work out, you'll want things to be harder every time. Because that's where the challenge and that's where the adventure of this beautiful short journey is. I want you to take a deep breath and change the way that you think so that you can live the life that you want. There you have it.